Hello and welcome to our chemical reactions lab. So what we're going to do today, we have these three chemicals that you see right here. We have phenyl red, we have 1 teaspoon of phenyl red, we have 1 teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate, and we have 1 teaspoon of calcium chloride. So what we're going to do is mix these together and observe what happens. So the first thing we're going to do is come up with a hypothesis. And remember, a hypothesis is that if-then statement. So we have these three different chemicals. We're going to mix them together, and I want you to make a hypothesis and tell me what you think might happen mixing these things together. So let me tell you a little bit about them first. Let's see here. Okay, so a little bit of information about these things. So this phenyl red, it's a red liquid, as you can see right there. Phenyl red is an indicator. So what that means, if we were to mix phenyl red with acids or bases, it's going to change to a certain color. So it's just going to depend. It might turn yellow in the presence of acid, it might turn pink in the presence of bases, or something along those lines. It could be swapped around, it could be orange, it could be purple, I don't know. It's just going to change colors in the presence of different things. And this sodium bicarbonate right here, this white, really fine powder right here, this is really just baking soda. So it's a fun name to say, sodium bicarbonate, but really all it is baking soda. This one right here, this calcium chloride, these little, they look like little white foam balls. All this is pickling crisp. So if you have ever been around anyone who cans, like if you have a garden or maybe your grandparents had a garden or something along those lines, and they made pickles, this chemical right here would add crispness to your pickles. So the two questions that we have below are what I'm going to have you go do now. You're going to fill out your hypothesis. So remember, it's that if-then statement. If we mix these chemicals together, then I think I will see, and then tell me what you think is going to happen. Think about the evidence on Cool Guys Love Their Phones, and tell me which of those that you think might happen. The next questions are you giving me a physical description of these three substances. Okay, remember, if you need to remember the names, you can rewind this video and watch it again. So we have 1 teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate. Just tell me what you think it looks like. We have 1 teaspoon of this calcium chloride, the little foamy white balls. And then here we have the red liquid, which is phenyl red. Okay, so go ahead and answer the next few questions and get that information filled out for us, and then we'll have the next video ready.